Hi friends, it's time to move. I would like you to get a piece of paper and just one piece of paper, or maybe you could use a piece out of your writer's notebook, and I want you to put it on the floor. I know that sounds really silly. I'm actually using a book right now. We're going to do some position words. That's why I'm sitting so far away from the computer, because I'm going to be standing up with you in just a second. So, give me a thumbs up when you have your paper in place. Otherwise, pause the video until you can get it real quick. And then you're going to need a little bit of room to move. Are we good? Awesome. We're going to move with our position words like up, down, left, right, stuff like that. Okay? This is how it goes. I stand up. I sit down. I step to the left. I step to the right. I step on the paper. There's your paper. I step off the paper. I look under. I look behind. What do I see? You are right next to me. Fun, huh? All right, let's try it again. Start sitting down. I stand up. I sit down. I move to the left. I step to the right. I step on the paper. I step off the paper. I look under. I look behind. What do I see? You are next to me. Awesome. How fun. All right. If you would like to do that again, you can just replay the video. And we are going to spend some time now with our special friend. Hi, everybody. He's so excited to see you. He got to come and be in class today. He's so excited. Let's see what he's going to help us with. We are going to stretch some words. You ready to stretch some words? All right. Woo, you're flying away, boy. Okay, so here's the first one. It. You do it. It says fit. It. You do it. It. Thin. How about pot? P-at. Your turn. P-at. Pot. Let's go ahead and say each of these sounds, and we're going to segment them. You ready? You do it. Am. Good. Next one. Fell. Fell. Last one. You do it. An. Happy, how did they do? He thought you did very, very well. Are you ready to go back to bed? No. You want to stay up? All right. I'll put you on my book and you can hang out with me, okay? All right. But I need my hands. We're going to review a couple letters that we have been learning. The first one is the letter what? The letter F. And what does F say? Good. Like in fan or in fox. How about this letter? What is this letter? O. And O says ah, like octopus. That's the first sound in that word. All right. I am going to have you can either grab your whiteboard or if you're at home, or if you're in the classroom and you're not at your seat, you can maybe work as a group with this. But if you're at home, go ahead and grab your whiteboard. We are going to do first letter sounds. I am going to turn this so that you can see my board again. All right. I am going to give you a word, and I want you to write the first sound that you hear. Ready? Scooch this over. Our first word is fish. What sound do you hear? What's the first sound that you hear? It is the letter F. Good. How about this one? Cat. What's that first sound? K. Letter C. Good. How about octopus? Oh my goodness, we just did that one. There we go. How about neck? Neck. What's that sound? Good. The letter N. How about come? Come. Did you say C? Good. Fall. Fall. All right, two more. Adder. Atter. And the last one, it. It. All right, those first sounds are super, super important because when you are ready to write words and you're ready to write a sentence, you have to know what those words start with and what sound they are. All right, we are going to put 3 of our letters together. What does this one say? How about this one? Ah. And how about this one? T. All right, let's put this together. I just dropped one of my magnets. Okay, let's put this together. And we have you see that? Ah. And I'm going to use this because I dropped my other one. T. All right, let's stretch it. At. Not. Good. All right, one more thing we're going to do before we end, and that is we are going to read tap, tap, tap. Let's say that together. Tap, tap, tap. What's at the end? That is an exclamation mark. So that means we need to say it again because that last tap needs to be said with excitement. You ready? Tap, tap, tap. And this is by Amy Felfer and illustrated by Nathan Jarvis. So we have two little kids that are playing a game. The back of our book doesn't give us any information, does it? Let's see what the title page does. Oh, this looks very different, doesn't it? Do you think it gives us a hint? Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And it's right up here too. Tap, tap, tap. So in my brain, that means the sound is coming from behind them. Can a cat tap? What do you think? A cat cannot tap. Kitty's just laying in that person's lap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. So it would be like us sitting here. Tap, tap, tap. Can a fan tap? A fan cannot tap. Did you guess it already? A bird can tap. What kind of bird is that? A woodpecker, and that's exactly what they do. Tap, 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 whether they're on the tree or I have suet at home and they're always tap, tap, tapping. Yes, that's how they eat. All right, let's go back and read it together. I bet you can do these words with me. We ready? Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Can you think about why they showed us this picture last time? What were the kids doing? Yeah, they were looking out the window, looking at the bird. Except in this picture, they didn't show the bird, but they were giving us a hint what was coming. Tap, 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 tap. Can a cat tap? That's a question mark, and when we have a question mark, our voice goes up. Can a cat tap? A cat cannot tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Can a fan tap? A fan cannot tap. A bird can tap. Nice job. All right, thank you for joining me for writing today, and I will see you in a little while thank you for joining me for reading today, and I will see you in a little bit for writing. There we go. See you soon. Bye-bye.